a triple action resurfacing clay mask to deeply cleanse, exfoliate, and restore a healthy looking complexion. Pronalen fruit acids gently exfoliate and retexture, whilst age-defying Laracare and Argireline hexapeptide help to minimize the appearance of fine lines for skin that appears lifted with improved tone and texture. Beneficial biotilys probiotic technology helps strengthen and protect skin from daily external aggressions by boosting hydration. The perfect post-party recovery mask to revitalize skin. French kaolin clay deeply cleanses to draw out impurities. PronalenTM fruit acids retexture and brighten. Laracare registered boosts moisture and improves skin texture. Argireline registered hexapeptide smooths the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Probiotic technology helps strengthen and protect skin from external aggressions by boosting hydration. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.